Alright, hi. In this video, I will show you how to control and verify the computer activity of a new staff and freelancers using the software Wolfeye Remote Screen. So if you regularly hire new employees, remote workers, or external freelancers, this video is for you. Maybe you're not sure if a new hire is really working during their hours or if a freelancer is actually spending the claimed time on your project. So you don't want to rely only on trust time reports or screenshots they send themselves. You want to be able to see what's really happening on their screen. With Wolfeye Remote Screen, you can monitor new staff and freelancers in real time, see their live screens, and review past activity to verify their work. In this video, I'll show you how to install the monitoring client on a new staff member's or freelancer's computer. Of course, only if they are using the company computer. So you install the piece of software on company's computers, that should be clear. I'll show you how to see their live screen from your Wolfeye dashboard, which you will open in a browser. So you will also see it from your smartphone, but also from any other laptop. And you'll see how to quickly check what they are doing right now as if you were sitting next to them. I'll also show you how to use screenshot history to review their past activity and verify that they were really working on your tasks. Of course, always make sure to follow the laws in your country and for your use case, and inform staff and freelancers where it is required, if depending on the country that you're operating in. This video is a technical tutorial, not legal advice, so let's jump into it. So how does it work? Well, very easy. Wolfeye Remote Screen. I will send you in a minute the website, show you how you get the download link and everything. But basically, it's a small piece of software that you install with 2 clicks or 3 clicks onto your business computers, on the target computers, and you will receive a dashboard. What you see here is a demo dashboard. That's why the password is is displayed. So you in your dashboard, of course, no password will be displayed. It's just for the purpose that you can visit the website and see the dashboard by yourself. And this is what you will get. And you log into the dashboard using the browser, so you will be able to access it with any browser, from a remote computer, from any computer, from anywhere in the world, from any laptop, and even from your phone. Okay, so you log into the computer and log in and see what you will get is for all the computers that Wolfeye has been installed. In this case, 5 computers. You see the live computer screen of those computers, so that you exactly see what they are doing right now at that in that time. In live computer, this is a demo, so you only see a picture here, by the way. Yeah, this is very important. You only see a picture, but in reality, you see the live screen. And live screen will mean the screen will be updated every 2-3 seconds, so to speak. That's how you see it. Yeah. And also, by the way, you can change here the columns so that you see bigger screens or smaller screens, but you could also select one of these screens, one of these computers and hit right mouse hit on live, and a new tab opens with only that computer, so that you can monitor that specific computer in case you wanted to monitor something specific for that particular employee. Also, you have the possibility to enable screenshot history. So screenshots are saved every 5 minutes, every 1 minute. For that, you tap for this computer, for example, or for this on history, on the history link, right mouse click, open in a new tab, and that gallery opens, which is screenshots saved every 5 minutes, every 10 minutes, every 1 minute, depending on the interval that you set when you enable the feature. So that's basically how it works. If you would like to also install Wolfeye Remote Screen on your computer, come to our website, wolfeye.de, wolfeye.de. And on our website, you see this button that says Start Free Trial. You hit it and can go to a page where you will be able to book a demo. I will do a demonstration for you, for your company, or for you, just with me and you. Yeah. So select a date, select a time, enter name, email, phone number, how many computers you want to monitor, so I can plan this demo session. And what will happen in this demo session will be, Wolfeye is already installed on my computer, so I will send you the access to my dashboard, and you really will see my computer screen live so that you exactly know what you will get and understand it. Yeah? And after that, if you want, we install it. I send you the download link and we install it on one or two of your computers. I will guide you through the installation to make sure that you are enabled to quickly and fast install it on your remaining computers, because the software is installed in just 2 or 3 clicks. And that's what I would like to show it to you right now. So basically, I sent you the download link and you will download this small application, Wolfeye Setup, the setup file. And I say it's only 2 or 3 clicks because you double click the application, set this install wizard, yeah, and hit the install button. It is installed, that's it. And now you finish and run. It starts Wolfeye Remote Screen. That's it. With a remote screen, control window appears. And the last thing you must do is you have to set it up or to enable it. For that, you hit the green button that says share screen, and the screen sharing is enabled. And then finally, last button is stealth mode button, the blue. You hit stealth mode and the software hides itself, goes into stealth mode, and and monitors in stealth mode the computer so that you will be able to see it, that particular computer, on your dashboard. So that's how it works. You do that for each of your company's computer, and one-on-one will appear on your dashboard that you will receive. So you receive your dashboard and can use it and try it within a few weeks. Yeah. And before you decide if you would like to continue, if it's something that you want to do. So come to our website. I'm happy to get to know you and to do a demonstration, a demo session with you. See you in the next video.